Hello student, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to your English class. Here I am again with you. And as earlier we have done chapter 1 and 2 of English literature. Today we are going to start chapter 3, Bravo Manju. Before beginning the chapter, I must say there is a will, where is a will, there is a way. Where is a will, there is a way. Now keep this in mind and then we will begin. Okay. First of all, I would like to tell you about the author. Sigrun Srivastav, 1943, is an Indian author, an artist of German origin. German origin, like we are of Indian origin. The one who born in the country is the origin of the same country. So, she was born in Germany, so she was of German origin. Her stories for 12 and 14 years old depicts with rare sensitivity a child's feeling, dreams, joy and fears. A child's feeling, what a child feel, what the dream of a child, joys and fears. As an artist, she has many picture books on her credit. Her writing reflects a strong social consciousness about the environment, the plight of the differently abled and poverty. The plight of, the pain of, the fear of, the thinking of. Okay, so she is the writer of German origin, but she is an Indian author. Here we are going to begin the chapter Bravo Manju. Manjula was born with only 2 fingers on each hand, but that does not stop her from pursuing her interest. Does she overcome the hurdles and wake up the challenges or give up? Read this inspiring story. Obviously, as the title suggests, Bravo Manju means bravo. Okay, something brave. And in these 3 lines, what you have read at last? Read this inspiring story. In something is inspirational here. And about Manjula, she was having only 2 fingers in each hand. But still, whatever she wanted to do, she achieved. How and what she wanted to do and how she did. Now we will read in this story. Shall we start? Here, line number 1, first paragraph. Manjula Parelkar knew she would never paint like Hussain. Not with those fingers, just 2 on each hand. Handling brushes was no problem. Her problem was the cost of the materials she would need. First line, there is name mentioned, Hussain, M.F. Hussain, a famous painter, worldwide known painter. Each of the paintings sold at in million rupees. None of the painter has achieved the fame as he got. Okay, so Manjula Parelkar knew she would never paint like Hussain. Means she knew that I am painting, but I won't be able to compare to Hussain. I will never be able to paint like M.F. Hussain. Not with those fingers. With those, like she was having 2 in each hand. Handling brushes was no problem. Means having 2 fingers in each hand was not the problem. What was the problem? The main problem was the material that she required, that she need. Because for that material she need money and she was having no money to purchase the material. Second paragraph. Mummy, she asked once one evening while helping her mother in the kitchen after dinner. Mummy, do you think I could? Then she stopped. nervously. Nervously, shall I ask or not? I could have some extra money tomorrow. What do you need it for? Ask her mother gently, rinsing the dishes. As both were working in the kitchen, and this is really good quality, this is really good that she was helping her mother in the kitchen. Do you help your mother in the kitchen? So at that time, while helping her mother in the kitchen, she asked, Mother, could I have some extra money tomorrow? Then mother asked, in return, mother asked, Why do you need money? Very gently she asked, For colors and paints. Here I am. For colors and paints. I, I, I want to learn painting. Mrs. Parelkar looked at her daughter searchingly, want to find something. After some time, she pressed some money into Manjula's hands. Go ahead and buy whatever you need, dear. Have fun and show me the painting. When mother asked why did she need money, then she replied very gently, for colors and paints, Mama. Because I want to learn painting. Because she want to learn painting. Then mother thought something, looked at her. She want to try. She was trying to find out what she want to say or what she want to do. But still, after some time, because she knew her daughter very much, she put some money in her hand and also motivated her to go ahead. Means do whatever you want to do, purchase, buy, do, bring whatever you want to bring. Have fun and show me the painting. Enjoy and draw your painting. Paint your imagination and also show it to me. Manjula showed her first painting to her mother the very next day, and she did the same. She brought everything, she purchased the colors, material, whatever she need, and then next day she showed the painting to her mother. Manjula, cried her mother, dropping her needlework in surprise. Manjula, like this. Why? That is beautiful. I didn't know you were so good. You must show it to Papa. He'll be impressed. And while she was having a look at her painting, when Manjula showed to her mother, she was awestruck. Awestruck? She was surprised because it was a beautiful painting. And she, at that time, she became aware of the ability, quality, and talent of her daughter, that even she can paint so well. He will be impressed. Then she told her that to go and show it to your father. He will be impressed. Manjula returned to her brushes and paints. Nobody had asked Manjula what she wanted for her 13th birthday. Yet she got all she had secretly wished for. Oh, mummy, cried Manjula overwhelmed. A set of artist watercolors. Thank you so much. And this is from your father. Her mother pressed a book in her hands. Manjula cried, her mother dropping her needlework. When she was awestruck by her painting, then Manjula returned to her brushes and paint. And she again started her work. Okay. And nobody had asked Manjula, as the birthday was approaching, nobody has asked that what she wanted for the birthday. Yet she got. No one asked, but still she got. It happens that whenever our birthday came, we never ask. Sometimes we never ask, but still we wish in our mind that someone will give me this and this and this. Oh, mummy, and she got. How? Oh, mummy, cried Manjula, overwhelmed. A set of artist watercolor. Thank you so much. This is from your father. Her mother pressed a book in her hands. She got watercolors. and her mother told that the gift is from her father. Okay, and she was really happy on this. So page number 1, what we done, we come to know about the Manjula, that she was having two fingers in each hand. She wanted to draw paintings. For that she required colors painting, and for that she want money, but she don't have any money, so she asked her mother to give money. Finally, anyhow, her mother arranged and give it to her. When she painted the first painting, her mother was really impressed, and then she come to know about the ability. And she also gifted a watercolor set to her daughter. Here, vocabulary: Hussain, the great Indian artist M.F. Hussain, I have already told you, searchingly in a questioning manner, like she want to find out. Overwhelmed, moved by some action, here by the gifts given by her parents. Okay, very happy. So, moving to the next page, here we are. Painting, step by step. Manjula jumped in excitement, her dark eyes shining with happiness. Oh, Papa, I could never have dreamt of it. Painting step by step. Yani, she was very happy when he saw the things, and she was just surprised and very excited. Her eyes were shining. Oh, Papa, I'm so happy. Even she never thought that someone will gift her like this. You would have dreamt of my present either. You wouldn't have dreamt of my present either. Just a minute. Okay. Painting step by step, this we have done. You wouldn't have dreamt of my parents either. I thought the page is somewhere else, but this is the right page. You would not have dreamt of my present either, said her brother Amol, with a mischievous smile. He pulled her to her bedroom. Now he got a gift from the mother and the father, and she was also having a small brother, and he said, you cannot imagine, you couldn't imagine what I am having for you. Then he just took her to the bedroom. Amol lifted a pillow for her, and there, tied with a pink ribbon, lay 3 watercolor brushes. Oh wow! She got brushes, she got colors, and she was very happy to got the gifts. Sable hair, said her brother. Artist quality. Sable hair, the hair of the brush. Okay, means these are the brush of artist. Manjula studied the new book from cover to cover and soon used up all her papers. She knew for good watercolor paintings, she needed a special watercolor paper, which was expensive. But she asked her mother anyway. Now, when she come to know about the things, when she started her painting, then she understood that I need a special paper, and a special paper is costly. But anyhow, then she tried and asked her mother, could I have that also? It's not a matter of few sheets, said Mr. Parlekar wearily when Mrs. Parlekar spoke to him after dinner. It's not a matter of few sheets. When her mother asked her father for the papers, then he said, it's not a matter of few sheets, it's not a few sheets. After watercolor, it will be oils, then canvas, and what not. And okay, fine, if she is having such talent, such if she fond of painting, then we have given her colors, watercolors, we have given her brush, books. But now the things are not stop here. Now she is asking for paper, special paper, and then she will ask for oil colors and then canvas. Okay, why doesn't she learn something more useful like cooking or stitching? Now his father is in the objection, like this is of no for him, this is of no use. Then he suggested that why didn't she learn cooking or stitching? With those hands of hers, she will never become an artist. Here, this is something negative. His father must not say like this, but anyhow, due to the lack of money, or as per his opinion, he said, with those fingers, she cannot be an artist. Please, cried her mother, don't say that ever again. Now, see the wonderful thing, mother opposed. Don't say like this to my daughter. Manjula, who had heard the conversation, returned to her room. She bundled up the watercolors and three brushes and tucked them away into the farthest corner of the cupboard. Manjula, who heard everything, she became very upset. And she knew that's why she was not able to ask, not in the condition of asking, that might be parents were not allowed to me. But at that time when she heard this, she just tied up everything. She keep everything, just tuck them away in the farthest corner, in the last corner of cupboard. Now I am not going to find it again in that condition. At last, mother, she said the next day, coming into the kitchen, do you need some help? See this, the picture where she is very happy when she got the gifts. Now, next day she came to the kitchen and asked her mother that might she want help. So she is there to help in the kitchen. Why, Manju? Her mother looked at her in surprise, glimpsing the pain in her eyes. She understood, the mother understood. And why, Manju? Means regularly she was not there. And she understood that she heard everything. Because in as steady a voice as she could manage. Because I stopped painting and I think cooking is a useful thing. Because then she gave an excuse, because I think cooking is more useful than painting. But why? Amol was shocked. His brother was also there, but why? I thought you would enter the on the spot painting competition in November at my school. You would have easily bagged the first prize. He was so shocked. He thought that my sister is going to participate in the competition, in the painting competition, which will be held in his school, and it will be on the spot painting competition. And if she is going to participate, then definitely she would have easily bagged the first prize. Manjula was through with art. She had given it up for good. However much it hurt. However much. Okay. Manjula was through with art means? It means through with she left. She given up. She gave up forever. She had given it up for good. For good? For the sake of her parents. However much it hurt. However much. No matter how much it hurts. But when she decided to give up, then she did the same. So till page number 2, we come to know that Manjula was having 2 fingers in each hand. She was very much fond of painting. For that she asked her parents to arrange colors, books and everything, and the same they did to an extent as per their budget. But after that, when she started doing the things, then they realized that they were having a daughter, a talented daughter, who is good in painting. But after some time her father refuses for other things, as he thought that such things are not useful as the cooking and the stitching. Here her brother and mother were surprised that why the Manju is not ready to do the painting and such things. Till here we have done. Next we will do in our next class vocabulary. Write down vocabulary in your notebooks. Word bank. Read the chapter. Find out the meaning and the synonyms of the same. In the next class, we will continue to the next page. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.